Supercharge your outreach and connect with hundreds of leads instantly with a powerful text blast on Batchleads. First things first, let's get your audience ready to navigate to your lead lists within Batchleads and identify the specific segment you want to target for your blast. You can also create a new list if needed by uploading or importing your contacts. Once your list is selected, it's time to craft your message. Click on the broadcast or text blast option here. You'll enter the text message you want to send to all individuals on your chosen list. Remember to make your message clear, concise, and engaging. Include a strong call to action and consider using personalization tokens if available to make it more impactful. The character count is crucial, so be mindful of that when writing. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your message and confirm the target list to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, press the send or start broadcast button. Now, Batchleads handles the rest, efficiently delivering your message to your entire targeted audience. You can then monitor your campaign's progress from the dashboard, checking delivery and engagement rates to understand your outreach's impact. Mastering text blasting on Batchleads means rapidly engaging with a vast audience, maximizing your connection efforts with every campaign. Go ahead and try it out.